present continuous, past continuous.
What are you doing?
I am watching a movie.
What were you doing yesterday at 2 p.m.?
I was studying history. What was Sam making?
He was making soap. What are the boys doing?
They are dancing in the gym.
Grammar tips. Tips for the form of present continuous.
Present continuous is used to express the idea that something is happening now. The rule is be verb plus a base verb with ing. If the verb ends in E, take off the E and put ing. Move, take off the E, put ing, becomes moving. Slide, sliding. For one-syllable verbs that end with a consonant, you double the last consonant. Get becomes getting. Stop becomes stopping. To make it negative, not comes between be verbs and verb ing. I am not studying. He's not doing his homework.
Examples.
Let's look at some examples. I am eating dinner. We have the be verb am plus eat plus ing. Are you playing the game? We have the be verb plus play with ing. He's making a call. She's not washing the dishes. You see, not is between is and washing. We're playing soccer. They're not singing the song.
Right and wrong.
Now we go to the right and wrong section. He be drawing a picture. Here we need the be verb is. There's ing and the word he. The correct sentence is he is drawing the picture. The next one says, we're cleaning not the house. The word not comes between are and cleaning. The correct answer is, we're not cleaning the house. Do you carrying the chair? we don't use do. Here we need the word are. The correct sentence is, are you carrying the chair?
Grammar tips. Tips for past continuous.
Past continuous is used to express something that was happening at that time. In the simple past, the action is finished. In past continuous, the action was happening. The rule: was, were, plus a base verb and ing. To make it negative, not comes between be verbs and the verb with ing.
Examples.
Here are some examples. I was doing my homework yesterday afternoon. The action of doing the homework was happening yesterday afternoon. You were playing a card game at 8 o'clock yesterday. He was reading a book. She wasn't driving. We were buying the bike the other day. Were they studying in the library? My dad was making a kite. This action is not finished. My dad made a kite. The action of making the kite is finished. I was fixing the doghouse. The action is not finished. I fixed the doghouse. The action of fixing the house is finished.
Quiz.
Circle the right word. I am cook, cooking steak in the oven. The base verb is am, so we put ing on the verb cook. The answer is, I am cooking steak in the oven. Was she slept, sleeping on the sofa? Was is the past. For be verb is, so we need ing. Was she sleeping on the sofa? We are not are, watching a movie. The word not goes between the be verb and the verb with ing. So the answer is are not. We are not watching a movie.
Make a sentence.
Make a sentence using the words. Look at the example. Kelly run yesterday. Kelly was running to the bookstore yesterday. You can make sentences on your own. I will give some examples. We play. I am writing. We are playing soccer. I do at that time. My sentence is, I was doing my homework at that time. They sleep. My sentence is, they are sleeping now. He look. My sentence is, he is looking at pictures. Mike carry at 9 p.m. last night. My sentence is, Mike was carrying boxes at 9 p.m. last night.
Quiz.
Circle the correct sentence.
A. Mary is hiding in the kitchen. B. Mary is hiding in the kitchen. There should be no E on the verb before ing. The answer is A. Mary is hiding in the kitchen. A. Do you watching TV? B. Are you watching TV? There is ing on the verb, so we need a be verb. The answer is B. Are you watching TV? A. He was not playing soccer. B. He didn't be playing soccer. We do not use the word didn't with verb ing. So the answer is A. He was not playing soccer. A. I don't crying. B. I'm not crying. We need a be verb with ing. So the answer is B. I'm not crying. Find the mistake and correct it. Mr. Lee didn't driving a car. We have ing, so we need a be verb. The answer is Mr. Lee wasn't driving a car. Is she taking a nap? There should be no E on the end with ing. So you spell taking Taking. He did shouting at his friends. We need a be verb with ing. So did changes to was. He was shouting at his friends. Alice was having dinner. We need the base verb here. So we should have having. Alice was having dinner. Do you writing a letter to her? We have ing, so we need a be verb. Do changes to are. Are you writing a letter to her? They are not working on the farm at 3 p.m. yesterday. Yesterday is in the past. We change are to were. They were not working on the farm at 3 p.m. yesterday. Make a sentence using the words below. The first one says, to Emily, Tom's house, went. The sentence is, Emily went to Tom's house. The next one says, the was house, Tom's mom, cleaning. The sentence should be, Tom's mom was cleaning the house. Look at the third one. Were Tom and Anna helping her? Tom and Anna were helping her. Was dishes Tom washing? Tom was washing the dishes. The next one says, dolls, her, was putting away Anna. Anna was putting away her dolls. And the last one says, Emily, them, helped. Emily helped them.